Hi, this is Lizzie Epton from Canonical. Today we're honoured to introduce our Embedded World 2024 ODM partner DFI, a global leader in high-performance computing. DFI's commitment to quality and innovation spans various sectors like factory automation and medical, making them a trusted partner worldwide. They were the first industrial computer manufacturer to join Canonical's hardware certification partner program in February 2021. Canonical's Ubuntu operating system has been pivotal in software infrastructure, empowering IoT and embedded devices. This time, DFI and Canonical are showcasing an EV charger station powered by Ubuntu Core. This demo showcases Ubuntu as the host OS, with client OS VMs including Ubuntu Core and Ubuntu Classic, along with Intel's LLM AI for offline customer service. Thanks to DFI workload consolidation, this solution seamlessly integrates projects running on different OSs in the same CPU, eliminating software porting concerns. This solution ensures sustainability to achieve significant savings for the best power and energy usage. One device instead of multiple devices. Operating on Ubuntu Core ensures reliability through over-the-air updates with failure rollback capabilities, minimizing downtime and risk. Security is paramount, with robust protection against cyber threats and a 10-year support window for security maintenance. Thank you for joining us. Let's drive towards a sustainable future and connected future together.